Sections 4 through 7 of ASTM F3239 establishes requirements for different power plant systems. This standard includes power plant installation in Section 4, energy distribution systems in Section 5, control and indication requirements in Section 6, and hazard mitigation in Section 7. The power plant installation section is short and consists of references to other standards. Specifically, F3062 for power plant installation requirements, F3065 for propeller requirements, and F3338 for engine technical requirements. While the conversion from gasoline engines to electric motors is relatively new, many of the requirements are the same between the two systems. For example, a requirement in F3062 standard specification for aircraft power plant installation is that the oil system shall be independent and capable of supplying the power plant with the appropriate quantity of oil. The standard also requires that the temperature of the oil is safe for continuous operation. This requirement would be the same for a reciprocating engine and an electric motor. The requirements for energy distribution systems are also included in F3239. Reference standards include ASTM F3063, the standard specification for aircraft fuel storage and delivery. ASTM F3316 is a standard specification for electrical systems on aircraft with electric or hybrid electric propulsion. F3239 requires that energy distribution systems be able to provide enough energy to support some of the most critical operating conditions, such as the ability to maintain maximum continuous power for at least 30 minutes. If there are multiple engines, they must be independent. Just as there must be a way to supply fuel independently to multiple engines, this must also apply to electric aircraft as well. An FAA Advisory Circular AC-23-16 is the Power Plant Guide for Certification of Part 23 Airplanes and Airships and provides additional guidance on the requirements such as where the independence should begin and end. F3239 then moves on to discuss storage systems such as their installation, compartments, capacity, charging, and what the pilot can replace. F3239 also mentions the requirements for control and installation with a reference to ASTM F3064. ASTM F3064 is the standard specification for aircraft power plant control, operation, and indication. This section covers all controls including shutoff, as well as operational characteristics along with cooling, starting and stopping, restart, and limitations. Finally, F3239 covers hazard mitigation including fire, lightning, and ice. There are also several other standards referenced in this section. ASTM F3066, the standard specification for aircraft power plant installation hazard mitigation, ASTM F3061, the standard specification for systems and equipment in aircraft, and ASTM F3120, the standard specification for ice protection for general aviation aircraft. After watching this video, you should be more familiar with standards. You should be able to locate the airworthiness standards for energy distribution, control and indication, hazard mitigation, and power plant installation. You should be able to demonstrate an understanding of the connection between industry standards and FAA regulations. The FAA provides additional information on required and recommended actions through the publication of advisory circulars, airworthiness directives, and service bulletins. In 2022 alone, airlines carried over 800 million passengers. This number does not include those passengers who fly but are not on an airline. To keep everyone safe, all puzzle pieces must be used. Industry standards like ASTM F3239 are an important piece to the complete puzzle. Hopefully, this video has given you a new appreciation for the usefulness and usability of standards. The number of electric propulsion aircraft is growing. Now it's time to continue your journey to increase your knowledge and skills about aircraft propulsion. Stay safe and happy flying!